We are in western Belize today, near the Guatemala border, at the amazing lodge at Chaa Creek. It's right on the McCall River in the deep, deep rainforest. Why don't we check in right here? Then it's on to our villa. Have to check in. We're off to our villa, Chel. Now, Chel, as you doubtlessly know, is the Mayan moon goddess, one of the most highly revered deities in the ancient Mayan pantheon. Chel is this freestanding villa you see right here. Let's go on in and take a look. Yeah, this is nice, and the air conditioning is blasting in here. This is another view of Chel from the villa next door. We're walking in from the front, right bordering the McCall River. This is my fourth trip to Belize, and it's hard to believe that Chel Villa sits in the middle of the jungle. I frankly never thought anything this luxurious could exist this far out in the Mayan jungle. Alrighty, what do you say we walk back up to the main lodge area and let's have some dinner. As we walk, here's a brief story. Owners Mick and Lucy Fleming created Chaa Creek way back in 1981, right in the heart of the Maya land, deep in the Belizean rainforest. And it sort of grew and grew and grew into the impressive resort that it is today. The landscaping is absolutely beautiful. You know, the Flemings are not paying me a penny to say this, but I gotta tell you, this is one luxurious place. Here is the restaurant. And of course, the most important building on the property, the bar. Next morning we got up and headed straight for the pool. This afternoon we decided to take the Blue Morpho Trail up to the butterfly farm.
Moon Bay.
We then went hiking out to the McCall River Camp. Next day was horseback riding out to some old Mayan ruins. Oh, it is pretty.
Nice. You see how high we are?
Yes, this is we're at the top of a Mayan temple.
We're on top of it, right on top of it.